All right, next thing we're going to be doing here is setting up the dungeon gates. So dungeon gates are essentially portals that are going to allow us to travel between our base scene or base scenes and our dungeon levels. So our temple level, or if you have other environments, one of those levels as well. So we just need to go into our prefabs folder here in the project panel. Again, we're going to want to make sure we are actually in the base scene this time around. We're going to go to the prefabs and then go to, I believe it's environments. Yep. And you should see this prefab here called Dungeon Gate. So we're just going to click that, and then we're going to move that out into our scene wherever we feel like it belongs. So its position in your base is entirely up to you. I'm going to put this one here. I'm going to delete these 2 torches. There we go. And then I'm going to put my Dungeon Gate in this little cubby. Just like this. Yeah, there we go. Just like that. And I'll delete these pillars too. And where is my Dungeon Gate? Here it is. Move that so it's sticking out just a little bit. We'll fly inside, make sure the walls are lined up well. There we go. All right, so that's in a place that I want it. Now what we need to do is associate this with our other scenes. So we have, again, this is our base scene. We want this dungeon gate to take us to our new level scene. So if you chose the temple environment, then you're looking for the temple level. And if you chose the alien environment, you're looking for the alien level. We need to enter that scene name here in this dungeon scene name field here. So again, I'm in the temple environment, so I want to add temple level here. And then if I go back to my scenes folder, you'll notice that there is a loading screen here. Mine says temple loading screen again. If you're in the alien one, you'll say alien loading screen. We're going to drag that loading screen up where it says dungeon loading image. And that's just going to pop up with an image on our screens when we change scenes so that we're not just standing there waiting for it to take us to the next scene. Once you've got that done, go ahead and save this scene, and then we're going to move to our level scenes, that temple level scene we just went to. And you should notice in your hierarchy, we already have a dungeon gate here. That's because we went ahead and for these dungeon scenes, we set up, all the enemies, and we set up the end point of the level. So, in here we can see that we have our dungeon gate, just like in our base scene, but this time we want it to take us back to the temple base or the alien base. So on dungeon scene name, if you have the alien scene, you're going to say alien base, but again, I am in the temple environment, so I'm going to say temple base. And then same deal with the loading screen here. We want to grab that temple loading screen or alien loading screen and slot that in where it says dungeon loading image. Once you've got that done, go ahead and save your level scene as well. And then once again, head back to your base scene because we are going to be decorating this base with some decorations we've provided for you with the environment.